Hello viewers, today with Team Donovan we're going to be baking some baby back ribs, but first like and subscribe. We have some beautiful pork loin baby back ribs and we'll start by removing the packaging. We'll flip it over and the next step will be taking off this membrane. Pick a side to start and then I've used a butter knife to go ahead and make it easier to get underneath the membrane, and from there we'll just pull. Here's a little pro tip. The trick is to go ahead and use a paper towel. This will allow you to grip the membrane and make it easier to then pull. Now that the back membrane is off, the meat will take the spices that we're going to throw on here. This time, I'll be using a mixture of store-bought and other spices to supplement. We'll take some ground ginger and sprinkle a little bit of that on. Black pepper. Some sea salt. Onion powder. And don't forget a little garlic. Next, I add a little sweet and smoky to top it off. You'll want to rub all that goodness in. And then we'll flip it over. And we're gonna hit it with the same spices as the other side. Ground ginger, some sea salt, onion powder, a little garlic, black pepper, sweet and smoky to top it off. You'll want to rub all that goodness in. Alright, and we're just going to toss it on the baking sheet and wrap it with foil. This is going to lock in the moisture. And then off to the oven it goes. Now we're going to bake this low and slow at 250 for 3.5 hours. It's been cooking for 3.5 hours, so it's time to pull it. We'll set the oven to broil. And we're going to take off the top here. From here, I'm going to add a little Korean barbecue for the sauce. We'll simply flip it to the other side. We'll hit the other side up with the barbecue sauce. After we finish coating it, we're going to flip it back over. And maybe a little bit more on top. Now we're going to throw it back in the oven on broil. We'll put this in for 3 to 5 minutes just to caramelize the sauce. Now we'll pull it for the last time. And now we're going to let it rest for 10 minutes. Then there's nothing left to do but to cut off a piece. And enjoy. So good.